Okay, what we're doing is I've got to find the top of that yoke. In other words, I need to find where it's level. And that way I can mark it, because I'm getting ready to phase the drive shaft. And these yokes have to match or you're going to get a lot of vibration. So then next what I'll do is run over the top of this right here, top of that, to find my very top dead center, and then I can mark it, and then we'll do the same thing with the shaft. Okay, what I've done, we've set up the dial indicator. Now we're going to find the top dead center just by rolling that on the cross slide, just pushing it back and forth over the top of that collar there. At the time of his death, Adams had prescription. I've already zeroed it. I mean, just showing you how we're doing it here. Okay, so I know right there. I'm at top dead center. So what that does is that tells me that that point is at a 90-degree angle to the cross on the yoke, to your universal joint that's going to go inside that yoke, because it's a universal joint that really has to be lined up. I mean, the yoke, you don't know where it is, what it is, because it's a casting. So because we leveled that, we found a reference point, and now we're just going off that reference point. So now I've got that clocked. All I've got to do is mark it. Okay, what I've done is put some ink on there, layout ink, and layout dye, whatever you want to call it. And I've just run the longitudinal feed back and forth. That makes my line. That's my index mark. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this end that we did on the other end with the yoke. And what I've done is just put a piece of square tubing in there. That's where the square end of the drive shaft mates with the other end that actually goes into the gearbox. And so now I know that I've got my baseline, and I can go from there. And we'll go up to that other end and do the same thing, just to find my lineup mark. Okay, here we go. It's just a matter of moving your cross slide, looking for your high point. There's our high point right there. See, on either side of that. See, she starts falling off. There we go. Right about there, I know I'm at top dead center. And it's ready to mark, and then it's ready to tack up.